What's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is Shoplifter Destroys Target While Fleeing Police. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about here, man.
Get another unit on the backside and make sure it doesn't spread out the back. I'll take one to the front with me, and then the next one just go to the backside, but there's one exiting the rear driver's side of the vehicle now. He's still in there? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, just wait. I got partners in route. Okay. Jeff, that's him walking toward you. Hey, get out of the car. Get out the car. Come over here. This is a stolen car. Keep your hands out of your pockets. Have a seat on the sidewalk here. Have a seat on the curb. You're not free to leave. Is anybody else in the car? Don't reach for anything in your bag, okay? Are you pregnant?
No.
Okay. Now you're not free to go. Sit down on the curb. Sit down on the curb. Do not reach in your pockets and do not run. You understand? You're not free to go. You're being investigated for vehicle trespass right now. So make sure, because you're probably going to end up in handcuffs here in a minute.
Why?
2-6, I have another compliant outside of the vehicle with me. Where's your buddy at? I know there's one more inside the store. He's got a cart full of all this shit I saw you walking past me with. Is he your boyfriend? Is he just a friend? Is he...
Both?
You're going to be detained in handcuffs. Thank you for being cool.
He's in the sporting goods department.
Do you have video of him driving here?
I could get that.
Because that car's stolen. So,
Stolen?
yeah.
Okay, I could get that.
I see like possibly Hispanic male, black jacket with a beard.
Yeah.
And he's in the sporting goods?
Yes.
2-6. LP just advised he's in the sporting goods section. We're walking over now. Black baseball cap, black hoodie, dark colored pants, black Nike shoes, long hair.
Hey man, you're not free to leave.
I'm done. You got keys?
You could have done that, man.
Never done that, I know.
You know I was going to catch you.
I know.
So why'd you run
I
from
seen
me?
you tonight.
His hat's here, by the way.
You have any weapons on you, Cooperton? You got a weapon on you?
5, 1 design for 4. We have fire for 2, so 16.
I'm going to turn you to your side, okay?
Yes, sir. You know I'm on no problems.
Are you injured?
Yeah.
Who's your friend? What's their name? We're talking to him inside, so I'm just seeing if you're... I should tell me. What is it?
It's Pat.
Pat? Okay. Does Pat have a job?
I think he goes to work because I don't really see him out there.
So why is he out here stealing stuff from Target then?
I didn't know he was stealing.
So what were you doing? Why were you hanging out in the car?
Just talking.
Typically, right, you know how this works. 1 or 2 stay in the car and watch out while the other one goes inside and they call like, oh, cops are coming.
Damn, that boy started singing like a canary quick. What's his name? He kept it 100. Then he said, well, we already talking to him inside. Oh, Pat. Damn, bro. That's all it took for you to start chatting? Man, yeah, I'm sorry. I was messing up these banana chips with the honey. Banana chips with the honey, man. Them things are fire. But anyway, listen, I don't know why he started running. I don't know why you started running, boy, because now you got hit with that taser, got hit with a little bit of that act right, boy. You don't want to act right? Okay, they going to get you together, boy. But the only thing I didn't like was when the cops was chasing after him. They both went down the same aisle and everything. I'm like, damn, they should really split up to kind of like corner him and trap him, you know what I'm saying? But whatever, it all still ended up working out in the long run, you know what I'm saying? Hit him with that bow. Oh, he said, oh, I'm done. Yeah, he ain't want no more smoke after that, boy.
Like, let's not BS me, right, and insult our intelligence, because I don't really like being fed lines, you know what I mean? So, what?
I was on the...
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
But he told you he was gonna go steal. You just told me you were on watch, dude.
Yeah, I know. I was like, well, no, after you show up, this bando. You know, it's like a street rule.
Uh-huh.
What are you looking at?
What are you looking at?
Oh, you? Probably obstructing.
Just a warrant?
Maybe resisting.
No, but resisting.
Maybe possessing stolen vehicle.
Because that's still a vehicle.
Yeah, let's go with obstructing.
What?
Obstructing. Hold on, put you in the back here. I'm gonna read you rights. Okay?
I ain't do nothing wrong, I thought. Yeah, when I realized you guys were there for me, I panicked.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
I had no intention of running. How much you kick the roof over there?
Kick what roof? What are you talking about?
In county.
Guys, for your service.
I kicked the roof?
Yes.
Here
Here you go.
Something right. Young kid that I tried something. Can you swing your feet in?
Yeah.
Let me get you some water. Fire department's here for you, okay? Oh, I'm sorry, I'm spilling on you. Keep going.
Please. What's he doing with my girl's car?
So we're gonna discuss that after I read you your rights, okay?
That little sip of water must have hit the spot, huh? Insides must have been a little bit dehydrated, huh?
Is that my girl?
Probably.
Who's Patrick? Who's the guy over there? The dude with the ponytail and stuff.
I don't know.
Okay. So when you say a bill of sale for the vehicle,
Yeah, she gifted it to him.
she just gave him this car.
Yeah,
To who? To Patrick?
yeah.
Okay. How much do you think that car's worth?
Not as much as you think it is.
Okay.
It's got a lot of issues. A lot.
Okay. How many cars have you been given in your life?
A couple?
A couple?
Yeah.
Really? You must have very nice friends.
So the thing is, like she owes him money. First of all, second of all, that vehicle's a lot of issues that she can't get fixed. She doesn't have the money or the resources to get fixed.
Hey, Mr. Thomas? Sir. Who's the owner of the vehicle?
Carla.
Carla?
Yeah, but y'all ain't got the money or resources to get it fixed neither. If you did, you wouldn't be stealing, doing petty theft at Target.
Because she's saying Carla gifted the vehicle and she has a bill of sale.
Okay, so I was flagged down. The reason I was flagged down because they believe you're gonna shoplift, okay?
I don't do that. No, I don't.
Well, they suspected you were going to, right? So that's why I was flagged down. But what can you tell me? What can you tell me about this car? Who's this car belong to?
Carla, my girlfriend?
Carla? Is that who was in the vehicle?
That was not Carla that she spoke with. That was in the car. That's why she's mad.
Oh, because you're talking to this girl?
Yeah.
Okay, so this vehicle here is reported as a stolen vehicle.
Since when?
I don't know. I didn't check the details on that. But when I walked up and I ran the plate through my dispatch, they advised it was stolen, okay? So that's the other part of this investigation. All right?
She left with me last night.
So I need to call her.
She's right. She's right there.
Carla?
Yeah, Carla.
Is that Carla?
I believe so.
Okay. You hang out with him while I check on details.
But the jail, we charge him with assault for as well. He threw a display case at
I mean, I'd have thrown it at him too if I was ready.
That doesn't make it okay.
I know. I'm just maybe.
I mean, I don't know. I wasn't there. I didn't see the video, but if somebody throws something at
Well, I mean, it went from him just obstructing to being assaultive. So I'm like, well, I'm going to take this guy.
Yeah, you're
So who's the owner? So if Carla gave it to somebody, who did they give it to?
Patrick.
Who is Patrick?
He is the guy in the store, I guess.
Okay.
They were dating for a while and broke up. I don't know.
Was she driver of it? You were not driver of it. Who was driving it? Patrick.
Or Joel.
Huh?
Patrick or Joel, I don't know.
Patrick or Joel? Well, you came here in the car, right? You're Mirandizer?
I did Mirandize her.
So you came here in the car.
I guess
Who
Patrick was driving here.
drove here? That's a simple question.
Yeah.
Huh?
I guess Patrick did drive here, yeah.
Patrick did drive here? That's weird. Okay. Thank you.
Can you take a deep breath for me? Can you? Here, take a deep breath. Can you fall like that? Yeah, you're not bleeding, dude. You get forward. You get forward. All right, so stand up for me. Turn towards me. Yeah, that way. That'll work. All right, you are out of handcuffs. Do you have keys to the vehicle? There is your bag. there still is a probably good probability you're going to get charged with a crime.
Okay.
You understand that, right?
No. Why?
Well, because you're in a stolen vehicle.
It's not stolen.
Okay, can you show me the...
Yeah.
Well, then why would somebody call and report it stolen?
Because she's crazy.
Then why are you dealing with her?
I don't. I try not to. I've been telling Patrick not to be with her for a long time. But
Are you dating Patrick?
We've been off and on for like 3-4 years.
Well, Patrick went in there and loaded up a shopping cart.
Man, you getting your back blown out by Patrick. Let's keep it 100. Let's keep it 100. You getting your back blown out by Patrick, man. That's why earlier she I think the cop asked, who is he, your boyfriend or a friend or whatever? She said both. Now, come on. Now, I know, yes, technically your significant other could be your friend too and all that. But nah, let's keep it nah. That's not what we talking about here, man. This is friends with benefits, man.
Stuff and he was going to steal it.
We had a gift card. No, we aren't going to steal it. We're going to get everything.
I don't believe that's accurate. And so if we're looking over here, who's this in the gray hoodie that's still handcuffed?
Joel.
That's Joel. And he was not the driver. Patrick
was earlier.
That's not that cold. You got a jacket on, I know.
It's little.
That's not much of a jacket.
I know, right? Any Wi-Fi?
I can't help you with that.
Can I walk over towards Target?
You can do whatever you want. Oh, wait, actually, no, you cannot. Because I believe they want you trespass from Target for life.
Oh, okay.
So that means don't go into the store, don't go in front of the store.
Okay.
Right? If you do, you can get charged with a crime.
Okay.
If you go in and shoplift, it's considered a burglary.
That's fine.
Okay? So you can go wherever you want to try and do that. And I'll make a note that you said that you saw a bill of sale.
He actually has a bill of sale at his house.
Well, that'd be a great thing to bring to court.
Okay.
It's just, is it accurate? Is it is it true or is it not?
Yeah, I know, like...
Because I know people forge things, and I know there are angry ex-girlfriends. Like, I don't know what the truth is. Like, I'm not trying to take one side over the other.
And she is angry and whatever, but she did give him the car. And
well, then she wanted it back. It is what it is. Yes, you are free to go anywhere but Target.
My partner. There was nothing else besides the rib, right? No. I mean, just. Okay. Just double checking now that you're standing. Alright. Just walk over this way. Yeah, just put it right here. Give me the rundown.
Yeah.
We're gonna follow you guys down.
Hey, brother. He's gonna take the cuffs off.
You gotta get your feet up.
I was trying to get up
first.
I was trying to get up because I can't.
Okay, let's change plan. Put your feet up first.
Yes. Need to sit up.
Dave Tucker?
I will find out.
I needed someone to get a hold of my mom.
Yeah, we're going with you to the hospital. So this isn't like a free pass because you're gonna go to.
See, that's why we got the Call My Mommy shirts. Listen, 90% of criminals always want to call their mommy when they get in trouble because for some reason they think their mom is going to help them out of this predicament that they're in, where it's not going to happen. So, call my mom. You a grown adult. What do you need your mom for, man?
I needed my mom to go and I'm going to jail.
Okay, yeah. It's a short drive. We'll talk you down there.
Tell her I need to tell my mom I'm going to jail.
Hey, also you're gonna be trespassed for life from here, okay? Don't come back.
What did I do?
Huh?
What did I do?
They just don't want you here. They suspect you. You're gonna shoplift. You're in a stolen car, okay? Kind of put two and two together.
How's it stolen? No one knows.
The report's not finished.
Thank you.
See you, dudes. Good job.
There are more than 1,800 Target stores in the U.S., but you may not be aware that the major retailer also plays an important role in targeting criminals outside its stores.
Hey, it's Alex, the founder of this channel, and this video really brought me back because what brought me to Minnesota in the first place 10 years ago was the chance to work at the Target National Investigation and Forensic Center in Brooklyn Center, Minnesota, just outside the Twin Cities.
Our goal will be to take a
photograph of each of the fingerprints that are on this piece of evidence.
In the dark recesses of this laboratory near Minneapolis, experts like Rick Lautenbach are busy solving crime. The lab uses the latest in digital forensics to nab suspects.
Target is hands down probably one of the worst places to shoplift at, because not only do they have the assets protection at the store, but just incredibly smart, talented, dedicated people at their national headquarters doing forensics. I mean, you know, if like local police department aren't going to fingerprint you after a theft or a break-in, they'll do it themselves with their own fingerprint center.
Lautenbach is the senior corporate security manager.
And why do you need this?
So for Target, really our business problem is organized retail crime.
Target's lab opens about 300 cases a year and is so efficient, actual police departments have asked for its help.
They'll pull the DNA off there, they'll do audio analysis, but they also have the nation's largest private network of high-def cameras.
I'm at one of the 1,800 Target stores nationwide, and all of them can be viewed live from several angles at the company's National Investigation Center.
And this just brought me back because it brought me out to Minnesota 10 years ago working there, and just hands down one of the worst places to shoplift from.
20% of the lab's work doesn't even involve offenses against the store.
We have solved murder cases, very whodunit murder cases, which are the toughest ones to solve, of course, very quickly by relying on our scientific evidence.
All the more reason for labs like this one to be on target.
Target would not mess around with them. Okay, just a little bit behind the scenes.
Patrick was charged with obstruction and tampering or interfering with an investigation. He is innocent unless proved.
Wow. Normally I skip the endings with John or whatever with Midwest Safety and stuff, but you know, to see the owner, you know, the founder of it, you know, on there, I know, man, that's pretty dope, man. And to know that he worked at you know, the Target Center there or whatever, where they do the investigations and all that stuff. Honestly, I get it. You know, like he says, Target is one of the worst ones to shoplift from and do crime, blah, 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 whatever. But honestly, a lot of them are. Like, I don't understand why people shoplift at Walmart or any of these. Like, if you're going to do it, listen, you shouldn't do it. But if you're going to do it, why are criminals not hitting like mom and pop shops that are not, you know, fully equipped? We always see that guys are hitting Targets, they're hitting Walmarts, they're hitting Best Buy, and it's like, what? Those are your big retail stores. You're going to get caught up, even if you don't, you know, get caught the first time or whatever, but eventually you're going to get caught up. You're hitting these big stores, and that's just, you're just an idiot, honestly. You know, you're just an idiot, man. But yeah, that's today's video, man. Another idiot just destroying Target like they said or whatever, running for no reason.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.